Hey guys, I'm sure you've all seen the viral fried chicken Caesar salad sandwich on a croissant, and today we are going to be making that. I'm also going to show you guys my croissant hack. It's going to be so good. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is prep the dough for the croissant. Usually croissant takes about 3 days to make, and nobody has time for that. So here is my very quick, all in the same day recipe to make your croissant. So what you're going to need is 3.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. Since we're using instant yeast, everything can go right into the bowl. That's what makes this recipe a lot easier. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, and then we're going to do 1 1/4 cup of water. Make sure that it's warm water. It has to be between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'm going to start my mixer, and then we're going to mix that for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, so it's been an hour. We're going to check our dough. As you see, it doubled in size. So we're just going to flour our table and take out our dough if you want to. So now we're just going to make our dough into kind of a log, and then we're going to cut it into 10 pieces and roll them into 10 balls. Now that we have our log, we're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut 5 and 5. And it doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. This is kind of a shortcut croissant recipe anyway. So now we're just going to roll them into balls. Now that we have our 10 balls, we're just going to roll them out and butter each layer. So it's pretty much the shortcut of making croissants. Normally you would have to roll out your dough, you would have to roll out the butter the same length, make sure it's the right temperature, you have to fold a lot. We don't have time for that. So this is the shortcut. Here I have 2 sticks of butter, or it's about 1 cup, and it's softened. You don't want it melted, you just want it softened. Put that to the side. We're just going to roll out our dough. So since we're not perfectionists here, whatever shape your dough ends up when you roll it out, just try to match it because you want the layers to kind of match. So mine is giving a boot right now. She's a little boot. That's fine. I made the rock from SpongeBob. So you're just going to take a little bit of butter and you're going to spread it like you're frosting a cake. This is going to give the croissant that flakiness that we all love. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to measure anything out for this part. And then just put that to the side, make another one. And we're just layering this like a cake. So you're going to take your second layer, put that right on top, and butter it again. And then you're going to do that for all the layers. Once you get to your last one, make sure that you're putting it butter side down, because next we're going to cover this with plastic wrap, and this is going to sit in your freezer for about 30 minutes, or if you're going to make it a little bit later, just put it in the refrigerator. But if you're going to keep on with this recipe with me, 30 minutes in the freezer, no more than 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes in the freezer, so we're just going to open this up. So all of our layers are in here. You can smell it. It smells so good. Next, we're going to flour the bottom and the top of our dough just to make rolling this out really easy. And it's nice when you're rolling it too, you can see all the butter It's just in there, and you can tell it's gonna be a flaky, very flaky croissant. So we're just gonna roll that to about, I'm just gonna show you how thick because I can't tell you in inches how usually people do. I don't know because this is not an expert recipe. Just keep rolling, 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 turning. You want to somewhat keep it in a circle if you can. If not, that's okay. It's because the next step, we're going to cut them into the croissants and roll them. So you just want to make sure it's somewhat of a circle. Okay, so I would say this is pretty good. It's about whatever inches thick. I don't know. Next, we're going to cut them into the triangles. So you're just going to do one cut straight down, another one across to make 4. And then you're just going to cut one more time diagonally on both sides. So now you have 8 triangles, and we're just going to roll them up into our croissants. So you're just going to take your ends and just roll them up. And there you have a little baby croissant. Okay, so now that we have all 10. Now that we have all 8 of our croissants, we're going to put them on a sheet pan. We're going to cover it and let them rise. It should double in size, and that'll take about 2 hours. Okay, these look amazing. They have doubled in size. It's been about 2 hours, so we are going to put it in the wood fire oven. This is kind of going to be a test. I don't exactly know how long to be cooking it. Like I said, I'm very new to cooking wood fire, so I'm going to test one, and we're just going to see. Okay, so clearly 700 is a little too hot, but as you can see, it kind of worked. Look, you can kind of see the flakes. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna lower the temperature. I just flipped it over just to see. So the bottom was fine, but obviously the inside didn't cook. So I'm going to lower the temperature to about 450, 500 to see what's the difference. I'm testing it right now. I'm gonna try 600 degrees and see if there's a difference. Okay, so not me doing it, but okay. After they come out the oven, we're just gonna brush them with some melted butter. Try to do this immediately when they come out the oven. I'm cooking mine in batches. And then obviously some Parmesan cheese. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm really excited to eat this, but we have to save them for the sandwiches. So I'm gonna keep on, and then we'll make some fried chicken. now we're ready to fry our chicken. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some flour. And I'm just using a little baking tray here, and we're gonna mix that with a little bit of cornstarch. And then we're gonna do same seasonings that we put in the chicken, the same seasonings you're gonna use to season your flour. Always want to season your flour. Instead of the mustard going in here, don't put mustard in here, but you can do mustard powder. That's what I did. And then don't put any liquids in here. So don't put the hot sauce in here, and just go ahead and mix that up with your hands. Next, we're gonna get our oil to get to a temperature of 350 degrees. While that's heating up, I'm just gonna start our chicken. So this has been marinating. Like I said, you want it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I marinated my chicken this morning, so it's been sitting in the fridge for a while. So all that flavor is just in this chicken. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken, put it in the flour, really coat it with that flour, and even press on it. You want a nice even coating so it gets really crispy. You want it to be just like that, and then we're gonna set it aside. So I'm just gonna do that for all the chicken. We are ready to fry our chicken. So we're gonna fry this chicken until it's golden brown. Just make sure the internal temperature is 165. This smells so good. I can literally smell the hot sauce. I can smell all the seasonings. I'm starving, but after this, we're gonna make the Caesar salad dressing. I already have my lettuce cut up, and we can put everything together and eat. I am so hungry. As you can see, it's already got dark outside. It's my quick Caesar salad dressing recipe without having to cut up an anchovy, even though we love that, but obviously there's no time. So what you're gonna do is take half a cup of Greek yogurt. In here, I already have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Ooh, pretty. We're just going to, in our hand, just a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we're just going to squeeze half a lemon. Make sure you get no seeds in there. And let's just whisk that together. All right, so we're going to dress our lettuce, and we're about to assemble. I am so excited. I'm starving. You got to be really careful cutting into this. All the layers, the flakiness. We're going to take a piece of fried chicken, that right on top, and then we're going to add our Caesar salad. Let's put some cheese on top because we love Olive Garden over here. And there is our fried chicken Caesar salad croissant sandwich. And lastly, I'm just going to try it. This croissant, I probably look crazy. I don't care. This croissant is so good. You can taste the butter. It's so soft. It like melts in your mouth. And then this fried chicken is just crispy, crunchy. It's seasoned so good. And then just the salad, like, this is everything. Oh my god. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It is so good. So make sure you subscribe. Let me know if there's any recipes you want me to try. Just comment it below, and you have to try this. Today we're going to be making croissant fried chicken. It's close. No. Croissant fried chicken. Croissant fried chicken, Caesar sausage. Oh my god, croissant fried chicken. Caesar salad sandwich. Today we're going to be making croissant fried chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Croissant fried chicken, Caesar. What is it? Caesar salad sandwich. I got too confident.
Flaky! I thought I said flaky.
What's up, guys? I'm the Smoking Bikini Chef, and today we're going to be making.
You should have had me do that.
Croissant fried chicken. Oh no. Croissant fried chicken. Croissant fried chicken. Caesar salad. No. Oh no. Croissant fried chicken. Caesar salad sandwich. All right. Yeah. Today we're going to be making. I got it. Caesar salad sandwich. So here's everything that you need to make it. Oh my god. Can I see that? Okay, so line, a bee fly, whatever. No. Do I look crazy? Do I look crazy, Daddy? Do I? I'm going to cover it. What? Okay. What's it gonna be? This fried chicken is gonna be smacking your mama good. Too much. I did this morning. I marinated. Oh my god. I marinated mine. No.